How to turn on blue light filter on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can turn on your blue light filter on Windows 11. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on blue light filter on Windows 11, and then if you want to go ahead and turn on night mode or comfort mode on your computer screen on Windows 11, first of all just go ahead and launch settings app on your device. So you can just open up your start menu and then just go to settings. So once you basically come to settings, you want to make sure you're under the system tab, and under system you can see display over here. Just go to display. Basically once you go to display, over here at the very top you'll find the option called night light that says use warmer colors to help block blue light. So all you need to do is just click on it, and then you can just click on the turn on now button in order to actually disable blue light, and now you can see night light has been enabled. And this is basically it on how you can enable blue light filter on Windows 11. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.